Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive. That's why I almost gave in. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase, but nobody see my face. I was chasing out the paper, been all in for the waiters. With everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves. With everything to prove, now it's going how I see it through my lens. But it's stuck in my head, I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the I get. I've lost somewhere in my head. I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical, I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now.
Yo, we're at Got Soul Boston today. We got plenty of shoes. I think we even got sports memorabilia over here. Like, there's a ton of different things here. Let's go see what people got on their tables and maybe go buy some.
My little shorty going stupid, going straight dumb. With us, I'm a big time, still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation, I be stunting like
I told you I'd be back. Yeah, I actually tried to find you guys earlier, couldn't find you, so I was like, I'll catch you later.
Down hood, happy that I came back. Take a photo with my granny for the memory.
It's easy to use. I can get the shoes I want. You can use, new, you can get everything you need.
Yeah, ain't sweet, ain't funny. Look, it's blue tints on my.
But this don't look like a 7, so probably that one.
You got a 7 in these?
I do have it in
7,
Yeah,
okay.
7.
She want me, yeah. Ayy, wave. Look, life been lit just high.
I don't know what it is about these. I like them.
Look like stressing, I be finessing. Dolo in my section, built like a blessing.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's MCon Reese 34 on Tradeblock. I'm here with the folks at Tradeblock at Boston Got Soul. One of the trades I just recently did. Got a pair of Kobe 5 Bruce Lees. I've been hunting those down for a minute. Traded a pair of Concepts Far Outs and a pair of orange skeleton Air Forces. It was a win for both parties, but I think I took the double on that one. Love Tradeblock. Check out the app. Check me out on there. Follow me, and let's get a trade going.
My name's Edmund. I'm from the Tradeblock team. If y'all haven't heard, we started a sneaker trading app a little over a year ago. It's trade only, and we're giving these away. So I'm gonna hand it back to Jonathan, and I just want to say thank you to the Got Soul team. The winner is number 2436188. We got a winner!
Guy just came up and I asked how to get tickets and I shot. I made like 2 and I downloaded the app, so I got 3 tickets. And my friend, he left like 30 minutes ago and we were gonna take an Uber home, but I was like, for some reason I have a weird feeling I'm gonna win. I waited out and I ended up winning, so that's pretty crazy. Concept Far Outs, yeah, these things are fire. Definitely gonna be wearing these. Thanks Tradeblock for the concept for us.